Hey guys, what's up? It's Kendall. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. In today's video, I'm going to be taking y'all to the gym with me. I'm going to be showing you guys my full workout routine. Normally, I work out about 6 times a week. I spread it out between arms and cardio and then abs and legs, but today I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that I do with all of those things in it. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys to the gym with me. My sister's coming, so she'll be videoing everything. I'm going to caption out everything that I'm doing. With all that being said, Skylar and I are going to get in my car and we're going to head to the gym, and we're just going to get started with the video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
1, 2, 3, my baby don't mess around because